In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create right-click options. This custom right-click option will allow you to perform a lot of activities. You can assign macros to the right-click, you can call macros or user forms. Let's go to VBE Editor, double-click on this worksheet. Select Object as Workbook from the drop-down. We want to trigger the action on right-click, select the Sheet Before Right-Click event from the drop-down. Before right-click event has been created automatically. First step is to create command bar button object. Now we can assign everything under this object button. We will use this default SH object, it's the sheet object. We will use this object to detect if the right-click is performed on sheets only. I'm using logical condition, my right-click should work when it's right-clicked on sheets. Now I will code everything under this logical condition. Let's create the button. We will use the object we created in the first step. We have so many MSO button type, we can do so many things. Let's select MSO control button for this tutorial. I'm using with because I've to assign to many things under button. I will first assign the button style. I want button name and want to assign icon to it. Now I will assign the button caption as my macro 1. I will assign the icon to the button, that's called Face ID. You can search on Google to know the Face ID code. Now I will use tooltip text, this gives a pop-up note when a button is hover. Now the final step, I will assign actions when the button is clicked. I'm using my macro 1, this is my subroutine name. Let me change caption to my first macro. Let's right-click on sheet and see what happens. Let's troubleshoot on error. The problem is with command bar button name, we're trying to insert our own values under right-click. That pop-up is called cell. Let's remove code with JSA and update cell. Now let's right-click on sheet and see what happens. We're able to insert our own values under right-click but it's getting duplicated. Let's add the condition to reset the right-click and then add the button. It's very simple to reset, it's just a one-liner code. We have made it, all the duplicate names are removed. We have to create subroutine to call macros when the right-click is selected. Let's insert the new module and rename it as per your requirement. I will create the subroutine for my button, make sure to give similar name which are added while creating button. Let's check now, how it works. It's working as expected. Let's change the Face ID to something else and see how it looks. That's how you can set your Face ID as per your requirement. If you want to add more buttons, you can simply copy the similar code and paste it back, just make sure to rename the caption and on action. We have to create another subroutine for second button. We will use this second button to copy-paste some data, you can insert any operation. Let's right-click and see how it works. Awesome! It's copy-pasting the data based on my right-click. Let's create one more button to call user form. You just have to create new subroutine to call user form and copy-paste the similar code. Let's right-click and see how it looks. So in this tutorial you have learned to create your own right-click options to call macro instead of assigning macros to shapes. Download this project from the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading the new projects. You can download more projects from my channel, like and subscribe to download more.